Answers are offered every so often to nurse death back into its coffin. And we should unearth all that's submerged and disclose all those hurts. We'll go where the road and the mountain meet with the scree and sift through all the debris of unanimous latency. But just don't drift away complacently. We won't hang like fixtures, we're a moving picture. Asanissima, let's paint like Picasso and Cube, merging brackets, holding a swirling fugue, and the night will blink all its eyes to the tune. A tailwind of cherry blossoms will carry you to